Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can craft fish bait in Once Human. To craft a fish bait in Once Human, go ahead and tap open the primary supplies workbench, and once you're inside, look for the fish bait option over there. If you haven't unlocked the fish bait option yet, you can go ahead and find the necessary items that you need in order to unlock and craft your fish bait. If you have the necessary items, then you can simply tap on the craft button, which should appear at the bottom right over here. So if you don't have enough supplies, then go ahead and hunt for those supplies that you need in order to craft your fishing bait. So go ahead and find the corns first in order to create a fish bait. I can see some corns over here. Go ahead and walk towards the corns plant and tap on corn. And once you have enough corns in your inventory, you can get back to your supply workbench. Now open up your supply workbench and go ahead and find this dough fish bait option, and then as you can see that we can now craft the fish bait. The craft button is enabled, tap on it at the bottom right and you'll be able to craft fish bait in Once Human. Just wait until the crafting is done and you can simply tap on claim products to claim your product just like that. Remember that you'll also need to craft a fishing rod so that you can catch fish in the game. So that's how you can easily craft a fishing bait in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.